Hey everyone, Craig Still here, ROKSTEDi Hunting Gear, and I wanted to go over how you attach our bipods to your rifle. Currently, right now, Picatinny Rail is how you attach. We will come out with different attachments later on. That's why there is two bolts on the top of your Picatinny Rail. Those are Loctited in, and for future attachments you'll be able to replace that. We have two offerings on our website, either the Quick Pic or the Picatinny Rail. So you can find those through a number of different manufacturers that they're already out in the marketplace. It's just ours are designed for our specific dimensions, and all of our bipods will be preset to that once we get inventory. What the Quick Pic is for, whether it's the generic one or ours. So, single swivel studs. This is a single swivel stud. It's a Remington Model 700 7mm mag. We've shot a ton of elk with this. I've ran Quick Pics on here before, and that's what you're going to want to use the Quick Pic for. Usually something with a lighter weight, more production, mass-produced stock. A rail or a better quality stock you might want to go with, or you might have dual swivel studs or T-nuts in here and be able to, or the best choice would be a Picatinny Rail, which is essentially, it's fixed. You've got to unscrew this and unscrew this. But if you don't have a good quality stock, or you're shooting a Remington 700 with a stock like this, or another production rifle, let me tell you, the Quick Pics are a great option, and I think they're really undervalued. The biggest difference is it's not fixed completely to your rifle. But if you don't want to upgrade your stock, if you don't want to break into your stock and put a T-nut in there, the Quick Pic is the way to go. I carry some now as a guide and outfitter, so that way if my client does not have appropriate bipod on the rifle, I can attach a Quick Pic to it, and boom, they can put our ROKSTEDi bipods on there. So now I'm going to show you how to install the Quick Pic, the generic one that we provided, which is essentially going to be the same install, and I'll do another install video for our Quick Pics, but essentially going to be the same way.